Let's create an attributes filter for a WooCommerce online store using Woo product filter. Click the Add New Filter button, enter the filter name, and select the Attributes section in the pop-up. Then click the Create button. Now let's enter the filter title and select the attribute we need. Let it be color. There are different forms of displaying the filter, but for the color filter, there is a special one. Let's choose it. It's called Colors. We've got a set of color icons. Let's assign a color to each one. Each color can be customized individually by selecting it from the palette or entering the identifier manually. We have set all the colors. Now we can slightly adjust other parameters of the icons. For example, increase the size and display them vertically. Let's enable product counters so the user can see how many products of each color are available. We need to save the filter to move further. Let's add our attributes filter to the store page using a widget. In the widget search, we write filter to find it faster, insert the filter into the sidebar, select the filter we configured from the list, and publish. Now on the store page, we see the color filter built on the basis of the attribute color. The filter allows you to select several colors, see the number of products of each color, and quickly show exactly those products that the user wants to see. Try it for free and see for yourself that it is the best WooCommerce filtering solution to increase conversion.